I'm an idiot. As the kids with the social medias and the phones say, I was today years old when I learned about this secret compartment in my toaster that makes cleaning out crumbs a cinch. Make sure your toaster is unplugged and cooled off. Find the secret compartment, which depending on your toaster model may have a button, latch, or switch that releases it. Pull out the crumb tray, empty the crumbs into the sink or the trash, and reinsert the tray. Why is it important to do this? Because all that buildup of burnt bread bits adversely affects the taste of your toast. More importantly, it's a fire hazard.
Only you can prevent toaster fires.
Look, I get it. A lot of you out there are gonna be like, yeah, everyone knows this. But I am not afraid to admit that I was not among them. So I'm gonna file this one under appliance maintenance hacks. Anyone else out there unafraid to out themselves as just having learned about the crumb compartment in their toaster? Let us know in the comments and consider it a safe space. Keep in mind, if you use your toaster regularly, you should be doing this roughly once a week to prevent crumb accumulation. But that's not all there is to do. If you want to keep your toaster toasting tasty toast, you need to give it a deep clean roughly once a month. Here's how. After emptying the crumb tray, use a paper towel to dislodge stubborn buildup from the tray. Again, making sure the toaster is unplugged and cooled down before handling, use a pastry brush, toothbrush, or some other long, slender, soft bristled brush to very gently knock crumbs and other debris off the heating elements inside your appliance. Now grab your toaster and turn it upside down over the sink or trash to get rid of those loose crumbs. Be ginger and avoid vigorous shaking, which can damage electrical connections and heating elements. Put a precious little bit of dish soap on a sponge and dampen it. Wipe down the exterior of the toaster. Dry it off and polish it up with a dry paper towel or microfiber cloth. According to the New York Times, you can expect the average toaster to last 5 to 10 years before becoming toast. But regular maintenance like this can extend that lifespan and save you a little bread.
Toast, right? So good.